Alright everybody, so today we will be testing what aircraft can take off and land at St. Martin. The reason I'm doing St. Martin is because I can't get to save up for some reason. So currently we're going to test the first one, the Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX, which would normally land here. Ryanair would not fly here. So let's go back into the cockpit. And let's take off. Yeah, flaps. Okay, so here we are on a really rough approach, but we are going to be landing hopefully decent. And after this one, even if we fail, we are going to move up to the Boeing 767, then the 777, and then we're going to do the 747, and I don't have an A380, so I can't do the A380. So that'll be it. I just slow down. What?
Think rate. Think rate. Think rate. Think rate.
That was actually a really good landing for how horrible that approach was. Really good landing for what it is. Alright, so that was 737 MAX for Ryanair. Definitely Ryanair approved. Actually, that might have been not Ryanair approved. It might have been too good. So, let's do 767 Freighter for SF Airlines. Alright, so we are back. I checked the time today, made visibility easier, and we are doing SF Airlines Boeing 767 Runway 09. This will be what we use for our approach as well. So yeah, let's take off. Here. I'm gonna go from this view. It's cooler. Okay, and based off of our speed, I'm gonna start to pull back. Okay, there's the nose wheel. And there goes the left gear, there goes the right gear. We are in the air. Can we make it over this hill though? Pulling the train. We're nearing stall speed trying to get out of here, but we should be able to do it. Alright, there we go. We did the approach. Now we gotta do the landing. Oh, we're starting to start out. I dispatch the airport right there on our primary flight display. Yeah, we have a visual on the airport. And by the gear and flaps are already down and in their settings. So now we're just monitoring speed, altitude, and trying to line up flying, which we should have a much better approach than last time. Last time was a really bad approach. Well, last time was a good landing, so I won't mind if the approach is bad if the landing's good. So I should be able to land at this airport. It's a pretty big airport, actually. Okay, we are on our approach.
Sink rate.
Yeah, okay.
Pull up.
Don't sink. 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 Don't sink.
Okay, we are really fast for this approach and really high. But we're right on line. Okay,
Sink rate.
sketchy approach, especially.
Pull up.
Oh. Alright. Okay, so we failed. So the 767 could not land at the airport. Okay. So now we gotta try the 747 too. Okay. We are here in the Boeing 747-400. We're using the default 747-400. Which I mean, it's not the best. It's not the worst. And we have flaps full. And let's take off. Okay, we are going to see. I'm going to pull up now because I do. Okay, so this one's much easier than the 767 was. There's no gear tilt, which really annoys me. We really need to make it over this hill. This is one of the cooler views. Let's head back to the cockpit. This is a cool cockpit. And we did it. We made it over the hill. So we can take off. Now we have to land. Okay, so we're here on approach. I did a much further out approach, so that we should be able to. And then I'm actually really high too, so we need to descend and finish this turn, which is not going to be a really good. We have like started the lineup. Yeah, 747 actually shows you the runway. But let's be extremely slow down. Slow down. We're in the flight detent. Let's go fully up. That's okay, let's put it fully back down. We're fully lined up with the runway, that's nice. Alright, now we're just like trying to get a smooth glide slope. And then this one's really the biggest. I thought This aircraft, I'm pretty sure 747 lands here. At least did.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate.
Ooh, yeah, we're low. A little low.
Sink rate. Pull up. Pull up.
Oh, good. Okay, my goal is literally just to touch down.
Sink rate.
Good.
Sink rate. Sink rate.
Alright, I don't know what happened. Cause the gear were out. Yeah, the gear were out. So we can only land the 737. Unfortunately, we were unable to land the other two aircraft. But with that said, go ahead and have a good day. Bye.